Today, we will review the breakout strategy previous hour's strategy. Today, we will learn how to work with the graphic object rectangle. So, let's get started. Earlier, we created the high-low breakouts expert advisor. Here is the link to that video on the screen. Our experts are located in the lessons folder. We will use it as a foundation and modify it. We will save it under a new name. It will be stored in our lessons folder. We need to immediately make changes to the expert advisor's header. Adjusting the expert advisor's name. It's a good habit to make changes right away. And don't forget to reset the file version. To work with rectangles, we need to create a variable that will store the rectangle's name. Let's move on to the service variables block and create such a variable. I will name this variable mRectangle name. A good practice is to always initialize variables. If possible, initialize variables in the same order in which they were declared. The rectangle's name consists of the word rectangle and our expert advisor's name. I just remembered we still have a magic from the previous EA. Therefore, we need to change magic so our EA can distinguish its position. I create magic using the MQL5 script to generate a magic number. Immediately save this script in the scripts lessons folder. Now we see this script and immediately run it directly from MetaEditor. Although it can also be done from the MetaTrader 5 terminal. The MetaTrader 5 terminal wasn't running, so there is a slight delay. The script prints Magicu in the Experts tab. We just copy this magic, returning to MetaEditor to make code changes. Let's move to the input parameter, find it in the code and click the mouse wheel. A little editing and beautifying. Now our EA has its unique magic number. Now a little copy-paste from MQL5 reference. We need functions to work with the graphic object rectangle. Search for VOBJ rectangle. The rectangle is located somewhere at the bottom of the table. Select all functions, extra ones can be removed later. And copy the selected functions. New code is always added at the very bottom, so scroll down. Now you can paste the functions to work with the rectangle. Just in case, compile all the code. We have no errors, and that's great. We need to add a variable to store the birth time of the current bar. For a date-time variable, I immediately add an explanation of what the value 0 means. Don't forget to initialize the variable, so find where the previous variable is initialized. Try to initialize variables in the order they were declared, and initialize the variable m previous bars to 0. Now we need to move to onTick. I think the search for high and low prices should be done before the signal search block. I try to separate each code block. It helps with visual code perception. Now I'll explain how to find the moment a new bar is born. Declare a variable to store the birth time of the current bar on H1. We call the iTime function for our symbol and H1 timeframe. Don't forget to specify the shift parameter as 0. Meaning we need the birth time of the current bar. Then we perform a check. Compare the birth time of the current bar with our variable then previous bars. If they match, we do nothing. Otherwise, we will perform calculations and move the rectangle. We will draw the rectangle as resource efficiently as possible. For this, we need to know the maximum and minimum price of the rectangle. We will store these values in the variables mPrice high and mPrice low. To implement the strategy's logic, it's important to know when a new bar starts. At this moment, we need to update the high and low levels. For this, we need to track changes in the opening time of the last bar. So we need a variable to track the birth of a new bar on the current time frame. Let's add the variable mPrevious bars current. Don't forget to initialize these variables in OnInit. Use the search to quickly jump to the code section for initialization. Perform variable initialization. Also, immediately clean up the code, align the equal signs. This improves readability and helps find needed code sections faster. Plus, clean code is easier to maintain and modify in the future. So let's recap what we're going to do. On the current time frame, we constantly check if a new bar has appeared. If so, we move the right edge of the rectangle to match the current time. This will keep the zone visually up to date every hour. And when a new bar is born on the H1 timeframe, we move the entire rectangle. At this moment, we also update the values of the variables mPriceHigh and mPriceLow, storing the new levels. Move to OnTick. Start searching for the birth of a new bar on the current timeframe. We need to compare the birth time of bar 0 with the value of the variable mPrevious bars current. We're interested in the situation when the birth time of bar 0 is greater than the value in mPrevious bars current. As soon as we detect such a situation, it means we've caught the moment a new bar is born. Immediately overwrite the value of the variable mPrevious bars current. Next, we will move the anchor point with index 1. Here, I added an extra check for safety to avoid potential errors. If the price equals 0, it could lead to incorrect rectangle display. If the check passes, we can proceed to move the rectangle. Let me remind you of the rectangle drawing scheme. Point 0 is on the left side of the chart and shows the low price. Point 1 is on the right side of the chart and shows the high price. Our task: when a new bar appears on the current time frame, we need to move point 1. Clarification: I use the time of bar 0 instead of time current. I take the price for point 0 from the variable mPriceHigh. Now it's time to compile the code and check for errors. No errors. That's a great result. Now it's time to search for a new bar on the H1 timeframe. Now a bit of copying. We've already written code for working with MQL rates, so we'll just copy this code and paste it into a new place. Main rule when copying: don't forget to make changes correctly. We need to rename rates to rates H1. Also, we need to change the time frame, specify the H1 time frame, another rates that needs to be renamed to rates H1. We're here, which means we've caught the moment a new bar is born on the H1 time frame. Immediately overwrite the value of the variable mPriceHigh. The high price value is taken from bar 1 on the H1 time frame. Also, change the value for the variable mPriceLow. The low price value is taken from bar 1 on the H1 timeframe. Let's add a check. We need to verify if we have a rectangle object with the specified name. If object find returns a value less than 0, it means the object wasn't found. And then we'll create the rectangle. Call the rectangle create function. To make the rectangle create function clearer, I'll show again how our rectangle is formed. Just follow what I passed to the rectangle create function and compare it with the drawing. If the rectangle object was found, we will move our rectangle. Why do we need to move both anchor points, point 0 and point 1? Because a new bar appeared on the H1 timeframe, and accordingly, the prices in bar 1 have changed. Again, please compare what is written in rectangle point change with the rectangle drawing. Now it's time to compile the code and check for errors. Everything's fine, so let's run the backtest. Yes, our code works. As you can see, the backtest is running on the LEM15 timeframe, and the rectangle moves with each bar. Now we can proceed to forming the signal search logic. I think this is the easiest part of modifying the code. We check the high price of the current timeframe against the value of the variable mPrice high, and the low price of the current timeframe against the value of the variable mPrice low. Style the code and try to compile our code. No errors. Now we can run the backtest. Finally. Yes. So far, everything's fine. We need to wait. We've set a time range for trading. And here it is, finally. The price crossed the high price of the H1 timeframe. Technical pause. We return to the tester, and we have an open position. We've successfully mastered displaying high and low prices from the H1 timeframe for market data analysis. Now we can create and move a rectangle that helps visualize key levels on the chart. We've developed an algorithm to find the moments when the high and low values from the H1 timeframe are crossed.